So today we're reviewing Jevawell, a probiotic kombucha gummy being marketed as a natural solution for swollen legs, claiming to drain trapped fluid and restore your body's natural fluid balance from the inside out. But there are 4 things you need to know before spending your money on this. The core claim is that Jevawell targets gut-driven inflammation that breaks down blood vessel walls in your legs, and that healing the gut wall stops fluid from leaking into leg tissue. That is an extraordinarily specific and serious medical claim for a gummy supplement. No clinical trial on the Jevawell formula itself is linked anywhere on the page. The studies cited reference individual ingredients only, not this specific product, not this specific dosage, and not this specific condition. Now let's talk about the ingredients. The page highlights dandelion root as a natural potassium-sparing diuretic that clears accumulated fluid without the electrolyte crashes of water pills. That is a direct comparison to prescription diuretic medication, but dandelion root has only weak and inconsistent evidence as a diuretic in humans, and no clinical study supports using it as a replacement or equivalent to prescribed water pills for chronic leg swelling. Making that comparison to medication for a condition like edema without medical supervision is a serious concern. Now look at the contact situation. The only contact option on the entire website is a basic contact form. There's no phone number, no physical business address, no company registration number, and no named team or founder anywhere on the page. For a supplement making medical-grade claims about leg swelling and circulation, the complete absence of any verifiable business identity is a significant red flag. And here is the most telling sign of all. The product images, the customer photo testimonials, and even the lifestyle images used throughout the page are AI-generated with detection accuracy of 99%. The supplement bottle itself appears to be AI-generated. When a company cannot show real photographs of their own product and real customers, it raises serious questions about whether this product has ever actually been used by anyone at all. So, here is the honest conclusion. Jevawell makes serious medical claims it cannot back up with product-level evidence, compares its ingredients to prescription medication, operates with zero traceable business identity, and builds its entire page on AI-generated imagery. Proceed with serious caution.